Okay. So this again is a decent question. So I've named this as Tom, Bill, and Jerry. This based on time, speed, and distance. So the question is, Tom, Jerry, and Bill start from point A at the same time in their cars to go to B. Tom reaches point B first and turns back and meets Jerry at a distance of 9 miles from B. When Jerry reaches B, he too turns back and meets Bill at a distance of 7 miles from B. And one condition is given that if 3 times the speed with which Tom drives his car is equal to 5 times Bill's speed, what could be the distance between A and B? Okay, so let us try to figure it out कि किस तरह से हम इसको solve कर सकते हैं. So we have 2 points A and B. So this point A, this point B. Let the distance between these 2 points be D kilometers, right? And we have three members. So we have Tom, Jerry, and Bill. Now it is given that 3 times the speed with which Tom drives is equal to 5 times the speed of Bill. So let the speed of Tom be T, that of Jerry be J, and that of Bill be B only. So we can say that 3 times of T equal to 5 times of B, or from here we can say that T ratio B comes out to be 5 ratio 3. So if the speed of Tom is, let's say 5x, so that of Bill becomes 3x, right? And let the speed of Jerry be, let's say y. Okay. So now what happens is Tom reaches point B first. Tom यहाँ पर पहुंच जाते हैं और उसके बाद B से 9 miles दूर पर उनको जेरी मिलता है. So can we say that in the time when Tom has covered this D distance plus 9 kilometer, A से B तक पूरा D distance cover किया, उसके बाद additional 9 kilometer cover किया है. In the same time, Jerry has covered D minus 9 kilometers क्योंकि उन्होंने D में से भी 9 kilometers कम travel किया है. So from here we can say that the time taken by Tom to cover D plus 9 किलोमीटर, तो D plus 9 किलोमीटर का जो टाइम है जो टॉम को लगा है, तो डिस्टेंस डिवाइड बाय स्पीड. नाउ दिस इज द टाइम टेकन बाय टॉम टू कवर द डिस्टेंस ऑफ D plus 9 kilometer. In the same time, Jerry has covered D minus 9 kilometers. So D minus 9 kilometer with a speed of y kilometer per hour. Right? So this is our first condition. Now, similarly, in second case, when Jerry reaches B, he took turns back and meets Bill at distance of 7 miles from B. अब क्या हो रहा है? जेरी यहां पहुंचते हैं और वापस मुड़ के 7 miles from B उनको कौन मिलते हैं? Bill. Can we say that Jerry has covered a distance of D plus 7 kilometers? वो पहले A से B तक गए, D distance cover किया, then additional 7 kilometers. So the distance covered by Jerry is D plus 7 kilometers with a speed of y kilometer per hour. In the same time, now this is the time taken by Jerry. In the same time, Bill has covered D minus 7 kilometer and the speed was 3x. So this is the time taken by Bill. And these two time must be equal, right? They are meeting, so time must be equal. So from first, if we find the ratio of x to y, it comes out to be D plus 9, right? Over 5 times of D minus 9. From second, if we find the ratio of x to y, it comes out to be x to y is D minus 7 over 3 times of D plus 7. Now these both are the same ratio, so we can equate them. So D plus 9 over this 5D minus 45 is equal to D minus 7 over 3D plus 21. So this will be a quadratic equation. एक बार cross multiply करते हैं, so this will be 3D square plus 27D plus 189 and plus 21D. And this must be equal to, just a second. And this must be equal to the cross multiplying here. So we have 5D square, right? Then minus 35D, then minus 45D, and then 45 into 7 is how much? 315 degrees. Okay, so simplifying this, we have twice of D square, right? This is minus 80D, and this is how much? 48D. So this will be 128D, right? So, and that will be of a negative sign, minus 128D, and solving this 315 minus 189, so that will be 126. And this must be equal to 0, right? Dividing the whole equation by 2, we have D square minus 64D plus 63 equal to 0, and simplifying it, we will have d square minus 63d minus d plus 63 equal to 0. So d minus 63 minus 5. So d is either 1 or 63. Now in the question it was asked that what could be the distance between point A and B. So 63 is one of the possible answers. So the correct answer is option 4, that is 63.